Hi, I'm Divya, and I work in an HR department in a tiny island in a place that you call paradise, the Caribbean. Now, one of the things with paradise is that it doesn't always have all of the bells and whistles that you would have in a big city. This most times means that we need to do a lot more with a lot less. I've been in HR for over 20 years now, and I've had to do a lot more with a lot less. One of the best things that a previous manager did for me was to introduce me to the powers of Microsoft Excel. Although there are many other tech tools available to HR professionals these days, Microsoft Excel is still one of my favorite go-tos. In this series, we'll take a look at how we can use Excel to complete some of our HR tasks. In this first video, we're going to look at how to use Excel to maintain your staff database. So here we have it, folks, one of the simplest ways that you can use Microsoft Excel to aid your HR functions. Until next time, take this little and make it into much.